I'm here today with my current favorite products, sharing with you guys my favorite products from the month of June and July, and I have a lot of good ones here. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoyed this video and decide to stay a while by hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and let's just get into my June and July favorites. Oh, this for shizzle, my nizzle is a favorite. Also this and this and this. Okay. The first is this little gadget here. It is a fan. Now I have been trying to use up some of my setting sprays, and the reason I usually don't use them is because I don't like to wait for my face to dry when I'm getting my makeup done. So I have now, I'll use a spray before my makeup. I'm using the all-in-one pollution protection, and then I will take this little guy, got off Amazon. Oh, it has two settings, slow and fast, and it just dries my setting spray so fast. It's a little bougie, but I love it, and I almost want to get a second one for my bathroom because I use facial mists in my skincare routine morning and night. So I might buy another one of these, but I love this. I use it every day, and then I use it when I use my setting mist after I do my makeup, which I'm using the all-nighter summer solstice. It's almost gone, but I've been loving that little fan. I go through my old primers and just use a lot of stuff that I already have. So I've been using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and I really like this. I bought this a while ago. I can't even remember who was talking about it that inspired me to buy it. I love the smell of it. It's a thick cream, but it does such a beautiful job of really plumping and hydrating the skin, and it almost gives a little bit of a tacky base so that you can have your makeup adhere to it a little bit better. It's primer type products that I noticed that I always have good foundation days. There's certain foundations like one I'm gonna show you today that if I don't have super hydrated, moisturized skin, it doesn't look good. But every time I wear it with this or the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream or the Tatcha Luminous Skinny Dewy Cream, something like that, it always looks really good. It has to be something hydrating, a little bit tacky. This is one of them the foundation always looks good with, and I just love this. It just feels so good on my skin. So that has been a favorite for the last 2 months. This Summer Friday, I just love this brand. I have all the masks they've came out with. Summer Fridays, this is their lip butter balm, and it's in vanilla. And this is so nice. I put it on every morning when I come sit down to do my makeup, and it just is super hydrating, feels really nice on the lips, and it just is a go-to staple. So I'd definitely repurchase this one when I finish it. It comes in one of these little squeezy tubes, which is, it's that hard, the agave lip things by Bite comes in this. I don't love this type of packaging because it kind of gets hard to squeeze it out, but I still love it, and I'll repurchase it. This is not an empties, but it's a favorite. Okay, the next is this Unisex Healthy Glow from Charlotte Tilbury. This is so pretty. If you want to give your skin that glowy lit from within look, this is the product you need. It's a little bit tinted. It looks super gorgeous under pretty much any foundation. Love it. It's all your hydrating summer tint moisturizer. Gives you a little bit of a bronze glow, and oh, it is so gorgeous. And it's perfect for this summer. Comes out kind of white, and then as you blend it in, it gets a little bit of a tint, and it just gives a beautiful glow to the skin. And it has a little bit of a scent, but nothing crazy. Moving on to foundations. I have three. I have 3 foundations. This is the one I was talking about that I have to have really hydrated, plumpy skin for it to look good. It's the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation. I have MN3. I love this. I kind of want to get a darker shade for when I'm more self-tanned. But you can use the pump or you can use the doe foot applicator. This is a gorgeous foundation. It can be super full coverage. You can make it a little lighter coverage depending on how much product you use. But it looks so gorgeous on the skin, lasts all day. Amazing foundation. The other one is the Balance Foundation. I love this by Beauty Blender. Just be careful if you haven't used it for a couple days, hold your Beauty Blender or whatever you use to apply it and kind of shield it, because there's many times where I've been holding it like this and I push this and the foundation literally just spews everywhere because there'll be like a little bit of a clog, so it kind of like squirts out. So when you're using it, don't have the sprayer pointing at you, because like I just sit here and I'll like do this and then it squirts me or my clothes or whatever. So just, you know, be mindful when you're pressing that little button. But I do love that it's like a built-in tray. It just makes it so much easier, because I usually will find some sort of surface of a product, like this is what I've been using, my number 7 powder. So I like that you have like a tray to use here. And the foundation is beautiful, long lasting, looks amazing on the skin. And then this one is more of a kind of serum-y, luminous, healthy skin look to the skin. This is the Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. It has SPF 50 in it. Nude beige, it's actually what I have on today, and I'm wearing nude beige. Beautiful, gorgeous, stunning foundation. It looks very natural on the skin. I'd say it's probably about light to medium coverage, pretty much medium. Looks gorgeous, and I have quite a few shades. Like, I love it so much. I have a light shade, Golden Ivory, for when I'm not very tan. When I have a fresh self-tan, I have Ivory Beige, which is number 60. A very similar foundation actually to this one is the number 7 Protect and Perfect. I have this in 2 shades too, Warm Beige and Wheat. These are very, very similar foundations. So, L'Oreal can be super expensive sometimes, but I love this and I've been using it for a while and it's stunning. A powder that is literally life-changing. I'm telling you, I work out. Okay, I get up at 6 a.m. and I do my makeup. It's the only time I have to get ready in the day. So I do my makeup at 6. I go to the gym at 8. I work out in makeup. For some reason, that offends some people. They get very perplexed by it. They get very outraged and upset, and I don't understand why. It's just makeup. It's my face. I don't break out. My skin is nice and beautiful and clear, and it's not an issue for me. And my makeup doesn't, I sweat a ton, but my makeup holds up very good. And it's very minimal touch up if I need to touch up. But I wear makeup to the gym strictly out of convenience. I'm not gonna go wash my face, and I'm not gonna go all day without makeup because I enjoy wearing makeup. It's fun for me, even if I'm going nowhere, which I'm not because COVID, we're not going a whole lot of places nowadays. But I like to have my makeup done. So this has been a game changer for me. I've already gone through one. I've talked about this a million times. The Infallible Loose Setting Powder. It's stunning and it will lock your foundation in. It is beautiful under the eyes, all over the face. I'm obsessed with it. I don't know if I'll ever be without it. I could get rid of every other face powder I have, loose and pressed, and just have this. I would be set. I'm still using these, you guys. I'm pretty sure I talked about these in the last favorites video, but I can't stop. So Natural and Blush Please are the 2 that I use the most often. These are from MAC. It's kind of like that bouncy. It reminds me of the Maybelline Dream Bounce blushes. But they're a little more pricey because it's MAC, but aren't these so beautiful? So this one is Blush Please and this one is So Natural, and they're stunning. And I just use either like a small stippling brush like this. This is just a Bedellum Tools, any small stipple brush would work, or I just use my beauty blender and they work just fine. They show up on my skin, they're beautiful. Highlighter that I've been using a ton that I just love is this Clinique Lunar Pop. It's such a beautiful color. Oh, it's so pretty. I think they have a few shades, but you can see right there. Just gorgeous. It's not glittery, and it just looks so pretty on the tops of your cheekbones. I'm not wearing this today. I have on the Charlotte Tilbury, the bars, chocolate bar, gold bar palette or something. It's beautiful. This is also a favorite. This is the MAC Strobe Face Glaze Illuminator. This is gorgeous, especially if you are like a no makeup girl, or you just like a beaming wet highlight. It's a liquid. They have 2 shades. The bronze one looks strange on me. I'm not a fan of the bronze, but this color is so pretty. It's a little bit tacky, but can you see that? It just gives this beautiful wet look to your skin. It's gorgeous. I love this. It does not set down though. So you either gonna leave it kind of wet and glossy on your cheekbones, and I guess you could set it with something. Oh, but it's just so beautiful. I'm a big fan of that, and it's really, really pretty. But again, it doesn't set down, so you'll want to be careful when you wear it that your hair is not like sticking to it. But I really like it. I love the look that it gives. These are the 2 palettes that I pretty much use every single day. I'm wearing them today. I actually have just Going Coconuts on my eyes today, and I love it. That middle color is what's on my lid. I have this in my crease, these two in my crease, that in my outer V. I just use this all the time. It's beautiful. I can't stop. And then the Nude Mood by ColourPop's the other one I use. I actually have this on my brow bone, but super pretty. I'll put them side by side so you can see them together. They are similar, but I find they like complement each other perfectly. The Nude Mood has some more warmer tones. Like this color is very golden bronze. So, and then this one is more of like this taupey pink color that I have on my lid. Super pretty though, and I just kind of open them both up and dip into both, and I've just been using them every day. Two shadows that I've been using in correlation with those are these two from the new MAC Bronze collection. This one is in Saint-Tropez. I talked about this in a vlog. It's the most beautiful rose gold color. And then this one is called Monacoco, and it's more of a bronzy taupe. Let me swatch them so you can see. And the bronzy one is actually like very cool toned. So that is Monacoco. Isn't that gorgeous? And then this one is Saint-Tropez. And it's very like rose gold, like very rosy rose gold. Oh, they're so stunning. I've literally been wearing those almost every day with this palette. Like, I have to mention this because it's so good. The Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. It's amazing. It's so black. It's a brush tip. It just, oh, it's the best. Again, if I had to get rid of every liquid eyeliner I own and only buy this one for the rest of my life, I would be set. It's black, it's matte, it stays all day. It only comes off with makeup remover. Not even my cleansing oil takes this off. It's fantastic. I can't sing its praises enough. It's so good. And then a lash combo, mascara combo that I have been wearing nonstop and I love is the Essence Lash Princess in the green tube. So I do 2 coats of this, and the brush is pretty skinny, and it's a, you know, regular bristle brush. And then I do 1 coat of this Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes, volume 2, and it's a thicker, oh, that's scary so bad. Air conditioning turned on, my door shut. It's a thicker wand, but it's the natural bristles. The combination of the two does really well for my lashes. I have shorter, stubbier lashes, and this works really nice. And then a few lip products, and we're gonna wrap this baby up. The first combination I've worn, well, okay, these lip liners, I've worn all of these with this one lipstick, and it's just amazing. So the one I wear the most is the NYX lip liner in Natural. Look how tiny it is, because I just wear it so much. And this is so pretty. It's just a perfect neutral pinky nude for me. The other color that I would wear is Pillow Talk number 2, which has a little bit, oh gosh, they're like very similar. Just a little bit more pinky mauve. And then Whirl by MAC. They're literally virtually almost all the same. Here you can see there. So I would say Whirl and Natural are almost a dupe for each other. And then this is the start of the show though. It's, I don't know if you can see the name there. A La Plage, Plage. And this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. This bronze collection, man, so many hits, so many good products. It's been a long time, I feel, since MAC's had like a collection like this that just had so many great products. Look at that color, isn't that beautiful? It's what's on my lips. I can't stop wearing it. It's just stunning. So pretty. So that's been like my go-to lip combo, is one of these liners with this lipstick. And it's what I've been wearing on Instagram, and I constantly get DMs asking, what color's on your lips? What color's on your lips? It's that one, and it's so good. So that is it for my favorites, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.